Fulani Herdsmen, they don't catch them now. These ones, we don't even know where they go. We don't even know where to be their mission. But my people, if they very possible say these people don't they plan another war where we know they are aware of. If we now see things where these people carry, like say Nigeria, they go war against another country. Meanwhile, the same war where these people they plan now within Nigeria, over 30 ammunitions. For who? I don't know. My people, now why I bring this video here, you understand? Because many of you now no go they believe. If they tell una say these people na evil people, una go they argue. So now for una where they do doubting Thomas, all of una know una self. I don't bring the video. So for now, whenever I even see who be headsmen, who be Fulani, I don't bring her. So join me, make we watch the video.
Oh boy, see. Oh boy, see. Oh boy, see. Where they go now? They are more than 100. They are coming for Igbo and
Reporting live from near Ekewan Barrack, Fulani Herdsmen with guns and all ammunitions.
When Nnamdi Kanu talk this thing, we think saying foolish. Everybody they give your own reason. Hey, this one, that one, that. No, now don't they see am now? Real for an eye. These people mean business. They mean business, but una no go believe am. And their plan now to overtake, in fact, the whole of Nigeria, if it's possible. They want to overtake us. Now, why if una dey notice any small corner we una go see, you go see that they don't form one small suya kiosk. From that suya where they sell, you go see say the thing don't turn to community. They get plans. Una just to they go, they buy suya, they buy this one. See, stop patronizing these people. I don't talk this thing before. No, they patronize these people. Una fit chop chicken. I don't know how many times I want to talk this thing. Fish day. Snail day. Many things when you feature. No, they patronize these people. Stop they buy suya. I don't know whether you don't swear for Nigerians. Person even me, they tell me say, Madam Aproko, anywhere I go now, if I want to enter keke, if I see say one of them they drive, I no go enter. No matter how late, I don't dey. Now the matter be that. They no say una no fit do without them. So therefore, they already don't find means. This one now, person wey sit down there where they call himself president of Nigeria, if they watch all this one, come see your brothers, oh, see them. See guns with it. If now another person carry all this gun now, police go come show themselves. Now they go no say they get rank, they get badge. Now these people, everybody mellow, everybody don't quiet. My people, as soon as they sleep, these people they walk. As soon as see, una no go see am now. The day when the thing go finally come outside, hey. Now they una go they run scatter. They look for waiting to do. See, make una they very vigilant this period. They don't they enter everywhere. Imagine now. They don't they enter. See, una they chase them from this angle, they go another angle, and then get mission. If una give these people chance, they go make sure say they marry for each state. You understand? So that they grow families. And by that time, you know if you chase them away. No, wait till you wanted them. Make una dey very vigilant. And make sure say you handle these people fast. Because if police enter this case, they go just release them. And no, see, Bia, all of una we just did the video. I know say una don't do good thing to tell us. You understand? But as una the video, because all those guns and things, carry them. If police come, they go carry those things. They go still give them back. It be like say una no understand the matter with the ground here. Chineke. People wey don dey kill people, they don dey rape, they don dey do this one. Now, people no even fit travel for road. Before wey na road journey dey sweet pass. For una wey don experience am before, that thing dey sweet. All of us go sit down inside bus, dey gist, dey eat. You understand? The thing dey fun before. Now, you go even dey wonder now, hey, if I take this side now, they fit attack me from this side. You no even dey safe. And e dey very obvious say they plan this thing. These guns now wey they carry, they plan am. But una go sit down there, they look like ode, they do like mumu. Make una better wake up. See, I no care. Anything wey you want take from wetin I dey talk, take am. But my own be say, make Nigeria wake up. If they carry this thing now, when all these people carry all these guns and things, if they carry and kill them, now how they go feel? But when I don't know how people just they feel comfortable to kill human being. Like, I don't just understand. If they do them like say they kill rats, I mean they kill mosquito, like the thing, their body no even I beg, anything one I know say I want to do with these people, do am. You see my hand, it dey up. Anything one I want do, because do am. You understand? This one I no go put mouth. If not to wear them tie upon them, do am. If not to use those same things when I catch free there, kill them, do am. Anything. Me, I don't wash my hand come on for this case. You understand? I no go talk past this one. So I don't bring this matter so that all of you now go there aware. Nigeria, wake up. Nigeria, wake up. Now only God know wetin for happen, assuming they no even catch these people. Now only God know. Like by tomorrow we don't hear say 100 people don't die. I no go talk past this one, my people. Now the matter be this, but no be the only matter. We still get another interesting one where they here. Chai. I beg all of you now when you say you no fit do with our house girl. Alpha. I don't bring matter now so that now I go open. They don't catch another one. If you not see wetin this girl pack, Chineke. People they plan their future on top of other people's sweat. This girl pack Milo, milk, the bag no even fit close. And na estate they stay. So she they come out now. And you know say for estate they get security people for outside. That's what the security officer can say, wetin dey your bag? He say nothing. Wetin dey your bag? Nothing. Oh yeah, let me see. And so they open. If una see wetin I saw, I beg. For una we no know wetin dey happen now for Nigeria concerning house girl and house boys matter, I don't bring her. So join me, make we watch the video.
This one's too much. They go snap am.
Kí wọ́n ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí n máa fi dẹ́rù náà padà láàzọ ẹ bá mi bá wọn sọ ẹ bá mi kí wọ́n ti ẹ̀ má gbàjẹ́ ibi tí mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni ìnáwó kí ló ti wá ṣe báyìí kí wọ́n ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí n dà padà ẹ jọ náà.
Wọ́n ti pè mí.
Ok nǹkan eléyìí sì mi ò ní lè ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́.
Pay the call.
This one's too much now. Hello? Okay, call.
This girl, I know they see hunger for you. I know they see hunger for this place. Na greediness, I just they see. Una they tell me say, she's just hungry. Una they speak English. This is greediness. Una see wetin this girl pack? No. Even if person they hungry, and okay, make we just assume say you no want tell anybody. You understand? At least you go use conscience, carry something. This girl been dey plan go open shop, forget am. That thing, when I just see now, by the time you put them for one this thing shelf, you don't start market now. Waiting remain. Charlie. And many people now they tell me say, na food stuff now, no be clothes, no be hair, no be bag. No, until na clothes before na go no say na thief. Until na shoe before na go no say na thief. Thief free is thief free. Whether you take am half, you take am full, as long as you take something without person permission, it's called stealing. Hey, Rami, oh. Stealing, make nobody try defend person wey dey thief. Because you wey dey defend person wey dey thief, you also be thief. Imagine say they no catch this girl now. We no go know. And this one now, one na just dey talk. See, na because na food stuff we catch today. Oh. You know which things she don dey carry before? You no go know. Abeg, you for kukuma carry your oga. Make we know say you understand. You go put am as your sales boy for shop. Make we know say your mission don complete. Nonsense. You go person give you job. You do. Now security like this we need. Sharp ones. Not the ones where you go dey post. Everybody they enter, they come out as they like. Now this kind of security we need. Oh, but the man no gree. It be like say this man don't they toast these guys since when they get because assuming that they run things, you understand? You for let her go. But the anger, say I ask you out before you go they give Musa. The man come vex say, no today, not today we go see. Una know they try. House girls. If you they watch me now, you know say now your work be this. You una knows okay, some of una know they try. Person employ you they thief. If they not give una job now, una go come they complain. This one, that one. They can't give you job. You see what you they do. See what you they do. And I dey very sure say another person mind they behind this thing. Not be only this girl operate this operation. Many house people, all these house helpers, many of them they deliberately wicked. Is it possible say this girl now watch her boss or her madam they treat her nice? Is it possible? Not be every time they go they maltreat person. Is it very possible? See, make una know they take people kindness to stupidity. Because you get where person way nice to you rich, you not go even believe saying that this person way they treat you nice before. I know they like some kind things. Not good. Chineke. If you want, take my advice. If you want, no take am. I don't give you better advice. This thing where you do, no try am. No try. See, una way they do all these things, una never jam. Hey, now so one guy go do houseboy for one babalawo. You know, say the man a babalawo. You know those babalawos where they wear jeans. Like you know, go easily know. Now so the boy go they do. If you see the first they were in thieves, now so he got back, he stayed there till this man come back. Una no know who now they deal with for this life. Now why many times now go just they feel like to do anything where you want. Make una stop all these things. You know they help. You know they help. Every day now they come here, they tell now if you need something, ask. They feel not give you everything, but at least you go get something. No, they do. I don't tire for no matter, I beg. Beating where you supposed to receive. God save yourself, saying that kind area where Agberos no day. Go try this thing for maybe Surulere or all those Ibadan, all those. Go here for your body. I beg my people. Now the matter where I bring for una be this so for una we no say una get house boys, house girls. Shine una eye. Very, very important. And una way they do the work. Behave yourself. You understand? I want to know what you still think concerning this matter. So drop out for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, it is very important. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. Make everybody know what thing they happen. I love you guys. See you later.